Agriplast Weed Mat. Why Agriplast Weed Mat? It has a strong and long life and up to 3-year UV warranty. Helps to boost plant growth and prevents weed growth in greenhouses, nurseries, and orchards. It saves water and reduces the use of herbicides. Breathing, improving soil aggregate structure, water seepage, effectively reducing labor. Environmentally friendly, moisturizing, heat preservation and fat retention. Effectively reduce pests and diseases. Non-toxic way to stop growth of weeds. Helps retain soil moisture by reducing evaporation. Offers erosion control on slopes subject to washout from heavy rains. Color and weight are black 90 and 100 GSM, black 130 GSM, white 130 GSM. Available sizes are as follows: black 90 GSM, width 1.5 and 3 meter, length 100 meter. Black 100 GSM, width 4.2 meter, length 100 meter. Black and white 130 GSM, width 4.2 meter, length 100 meter. Recommended for open and protected cultivation. So use an Agriplast Weed Mat. Healthy plants, wealthy farmers. For more information, call us on 8140144666 or WhatsApp on 9739618730. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Agriplast Tech India Private Limited, Hosur.